bored of my old ringtone. I wonder what my next one should be. Time to choose a ringtone. Catchy, but I don't think so. This is depressing. It's not my birthday. Hey. Yeah. Scary.
That wasn't an Irish dance song.
Shut up! I danced the way I wanted it! You know what I say that? No, 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 no! That was a pretty one. No wonder that one's most popular.
Come on, Kyle, eat your heart out.
Better not be heard. I can do it so much better than her.
Yeah, I was holding this freaking cell phone. I needed someone else to do that thing where you put your arm over your head.
What arm over your head?
Like that. Like, got it.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, let's do it.
They probably can't see us. I don't care. Do you want to play that one again? Can you see it? Okay, go get it. I hope you can see that! Okay.
Anyway. It's called Mellow Sorrow.
exactly the same thing.
It's not exactly the same. It's different, kind of. Well, everything's delayed on the camera.
Okay. I'm trying to keep it. What's the difference between mellow sorrow and sorrow?
The other one was mellow.